Hello, I'm Kalle and welcome back to the Industry 4.0 series where we explore how Industry 4.0 affects different industrial sectors. And today we're going to speak about industrial machinery. Now, what does this mean? Industrial machinery is everything around how machines work. You can think robots, you can think big vehicles, elevators, escalators, everything about large machines, how they work. And we're going to talk about how software is used within the subfield industrial machinery. So first of all, there are roughly 42,000 open software positions within this field. So it's slightly larger than automotive and defense. And it's a sector that's heavily impacted at the moment by autonomous operations. The software is coming into it. It has not played that big of a part previously, but is now heavily coming into it. And let's talk about the different software needs in the industry to begin with. So number one, we have automation. It's a very simple one, but essentially it removes the need for human intervention. It can be manufacturing robots that can do very complex tasks with the help of software, for example. Second is predictive maintenance. So when you deploy your machines in the world, for example, elevators, you can have a device that checks everything about the elevator at all times, so you know when it's time for maintenance. This reduces the risk of failure, and you will also have a much easier way to know before anything breaks down when to replace it. Thirdly, optimizing processes. So everything about industrial machinery, especially in manufacturing, is about productivity, and enhancing productivity with software, very big thing. Driving robotics, essentially making higher precision, higher consistency in industrial robots. And fifth, we have ensuring safety and compliance. So with more and more regulations about how machines should work, software can help in preventing failures. They can help in making sure that the machines are operating at the right standards. Now, which are the most important software roles? Let's talk about that within industrial machinery. So first of all, we have IoT developers. IoT, Internet of Things, making all the machines be connected, interconnected. They can speak to each other. This is very big, of course, when you combine hardware and software. Secondly, we have the industrial software engineers, a very general role that develops software solutions for the different industrial machines. We have automation engineers, create software for automating industrial processes. Machine learning engineers, they create the predictive analysis and especially about maintenance. We have the robotics software engineers that develop software that controls industrial robots. And lastly, we have the data scientists that analyzes data. They predict about how a certain workflow is going to improve if you improve an algorithm. This is, for example, in the mining industry. This has been huge with the mining robots. How can you mine as efficiently as possible? Now, this was just a very short coverage of the industrial machinery sector, an industry that hasn't been impacted by software for the past 100 years or so, but in the last 10 years it really has started to pick up speed, and today in 2023 it's already big, but it's only going to get bigger. Thank you.